We see a lot of customers that have their own homegrown solutions to providing these sandbox environments. And typically that involves having a cloud account where they spin up some compute instances and provide pre-installed versions of their applications. Often what you see happening is that these accounts are shared between different sales engineers or different people. So they get in the way of each other. So one person has configured something, the other one breaks it, leading to a situation where basically the environment becomes unusable. Another problem you often see is that people forget to close any resources. So over time, more instances get started, more compute resources get used, the bill grows and grows and grows, which becomes really, really expensive. So when people switch to us, we take care of that entire life cycle. So our sandboxes, they are not shared between users, so you always have a consistent experience. We also make sure that after people are done with their sandbox, we make sure to clean it up, delete any resources that were created, so you don't get any unexpected bills. Project education is the new form of selling, especially in technical software. The buyer is more and more the engineer that's actually using the technology. So engineers have a lot more to say in what software gets bought. But also engineers, they really like to try the product before they actually buy it. They don't believe a marketing website, they don't believe a white paper that's being written. They want to have some hands-on experience with the product themselves. So I think if you really want to keep selling to these engineers and to these companies, you really need to start educating them. And especially for engineers, that means you have to provide hands-on access to your technology. I think product-led growth is a really interesting concept. For a lot of people, product-led growth is having a self-service sign-up on a website and where people can get started quite easily. But for me, I think it's a step further. Product-led growth is about people becoming fans of your product. They really like to use it, it really solves a problem for them, and it helps them solve their problem in a really nice and elegant way without them getting in the way too much. So it's not just about giving people self-service sign-up, it's about really helping a user solve their problem in the best possible way.